Welcome back to the Tennessee Frontier. It would have been nice if the weather held out just a little bit longer, but I had the rigging line set and we needed to get this tree on the ground. It hadn't been raining long when I started this video, but you'll see it pick up pretty good here in a minute. I appreciate everyone who's taken the time to watch my videos, and to those that have subscribed, thank you for your support. Here shortly we'll get a view from the excavator. Dorn sitting in there nice and dry, probably enjoying watching me get rained on. If you're looking for a great rigging rope, jump over to SamsonRope.com. Their stable braid product is hard to beat. Everything's going good at this point, but after establishing my hinge and approaching the trigger wood, things go a bit sideways. Who needs trigger wood when you can just rip the remaining fibers out of the ground? Seeing that tree go down in the rain is pretty cool, but the big reason I wanted to do this video was to talk to you all about the mistakes I made. Now, I'm working on getting a new hard hat in, so we won't dwell too much on that. Let's start reviewing everything from the time I walked back from the tree. Had I not engaged my chain brake and pulled my trigger hand off the saw before tripping, this situation could have ended a lot worse, especially had I landed on the saw. Moving or not, a chainsaw chain can inflict a lot of damage. A quick canopy assessment gave me enough confidence to watch this tree go over with a slow retreat, but that's not a safe or recommended practice. Slow and retreat don't go good together when felling trees. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and forget how dangerous this work is. Just because a tree is falling away from you doesn't mean you're safe. After a tree's canopy hits the ground, there's still plenty enough potential to be injured or killed. I should have gotten out of there faster, and I should have already had that saw that I tripped over moved out of the way to make sure I had a safe escape route. I was vulnerable enough without a hard hat. The slow retreat and tripping over my saw put me at even more of a disadvantage. Moving forward, I'm going to work on applying the lessons I learned on this job. Hopefully in the next week or two I'll have my new hard hat in. You all stay safe out there. Next time on the Tennessee Frontier, we'll be using the KX080 to tear down this old shed.